I thought this was such a fun and unique idea because instead of giving someone another board game, this is a kit where you actually get to create your own. It's definitely one of those gifts that gets people thinking and using their imagination, whether it's for kids, families, classrooms, or even adults who love board games. Before I show you the first game my son came up with, I wanted to show you everything that comes inside because it includes way more than I expected. You get a large double sided game board, over 100 blank cards for creating your own challenges or questions, game pieces in different colors, dice, a spinner, a sand timer, card holders, blank paper, markers for the board, a storage bag, and even a rule book. What I really like is that you're not locked into making just one game. The possibilities are endless. You can create trivia games, adventure, educational, scavenger hunt style games, family challenge games, really whatever you can imagine. One thing that we really like is that you have options when it comes to designing your game. If you want to make something more permanent that you'll play over and over, you can decorate it with permanent markers. But my son actually likes using the dry erase markers instead because once he's finished with one game, he can wipe everything clean and come up with a completely different idea the next time. I think that that's what makes this kit so much more fun for him. Every time he can sit down with it, he can come up with something new, change the rules, add different challenges, or redesign the board completely. It really keeps the creativity going. Now let me show you the very first game my son created with it. Watching him come up with the rules, decide what should happen on each space, and then actually play a game that he designed himself with his brothers was my favorite part. It was so much fun seeing his imagination turn into something everyone could sit down and enjoy together. Overall, this is such a creative kit. It encourages problem solving, creativity, and family time all at once. And because everything can be changed and redesigned, it's a game that never gets old. Every new idea becomes a brand new board game.